So in previous class, we studied about proteins, okay, and amino acids. Today we are going to talk about nucleic acid and nucleotides. So basically in our body, we have the smallest units, those are called cells. Okay, smallest units are called cells. So these are the cell. Okay, in the cell we have membrane and we have nucleus. That is nucleus, and this is the cytoplasm, and inside cytoplasm we have cytosol. Okay, so here in the nucleic acid, we'll discuss about in the nucleus, because nucleus is the central of the cell and where the functions, orders, and related things are generated. Okay, so we have two types of nucleic acid. So basically, these nucleic acids are present in nucleus. Okay, those are called DNA and RNA. The DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA is ribonucleic acids. What they do, they will transfer the genetic information. They have the responsibility to transfer the genetic information. Genetic information means how do we look, okay? How do we talk, walk, eat, habits, okay, and functions. All these are having due to the effect of genes upon us. Okay, history of DNA. DNA was discovered in 1869 by John Friedrich Maser. Okay, a Swiss researcher. The demonstration that DNA contains genetic information was first made in 1944. So DNA is discovered by John, and in the DNA, in the DNA there is a genetic information. It is discovered by Avery and MacLeod and McCarry. So these are the scientists who discovered in the DNA there is a genetic information. So what they do, they have the basic information about hereditary, like they are the reserve bank of genetics. What is the term we can use? We can use it is a reserve bank of genetic information. So what they're responsible for? Uh, Millions of years, the function of the liver is same, function of the heart is same, stomach is same. So how this is undergoing same? It is because the genetic information which is present in the cell, so the cell orders that the heart to be pumped, kidney to be filtered, liver to have to done metabolism, all to be done in their own proper way, in the balanced way. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so in the DNA we have genes, what we call genes. Okay, how the genes are mainly, it is protein synthesis. Okay, they are also protein. Okay, so we have relationship with DNA, RNA, and protein. Okay, next is nucleotides. What is nucleotides? Nucleotides are nothing but they're composed of nitrogen, sugar, and phosphate. Okay, in the living cell, it have very wide different types of functions to building the blocks. Like one, as a cell division occurs, we need double cells. So when that condition, it will helps. Okay, these are the structures and types of nucleotides, purines, pyrimidines. Okay, we will not go in the detail of those. Okay. Structure of DNA. In the DNA, what we have, let's see this. This is the DNA. This is the structure of DNA. So this is how the DNA structure will able to see in our with microorganism. Okay. It have double helix. This is called double helix. Double helix. This is called double helix. Okay. So here some important points are given. DNA is a reserve bank of genetic information of it is responsible for chemical and base of life hereditary when it is kept on as genes. So fundamental information is stored in the genes. Okay, it is due to the process of protein synthesis of protein. The genes are developed, which who will help RNA will help. Okay, so this is important things we have to remember. Organization of DNA in the cell. Some cells have DNA, some doesn't have DNA. If doesn't have DNA, they will die with their own time period. If have DNA, they have the ability to uh, double, or they will have the ability to multiply. Okay, so in the RNA, what is RNA? Next we have RNA. So I hope you understand about DNA, DNA structure, and some cells have DNA and some cells doesn't have DNA. Here we have the RNA. RNA also same structure, similar similarities like DNA. Okay, they have these things like pentose, pyrimidine, single stranded. All these are this. There are three types of RNA: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA. So most are the RNA are present in the cell. It is ribosomal RNA, 50 to 80%. Transfer RNA, 10 to 10%. And messenger RNA 5 to 10%. What they do? Let's discuss something. Messenger RNA. What they do? The RNA synthesized in the nucleus. Okay, which enters the cytoplasm to particular protein synthesis. RNA has the molecular weight with a short life. It has very short. Okay. So what they do? Messenger RNA. The whatever information is present in the DNA. Okay, in the nucleus, the DNA or the genes, it will take their message. Okay, and according to the message it will transfer and give to the transfer RNA. Okay, but they are very least number. So in that do have the acceptor arm, the anticodon arm, the D arm, all there, all there. No need to go in detail. Next we have ribosomal RNA. They are the factories of protein synthesis because to maintain the genetic things we need protein synthesis. So what they do, the RNA will do, the RNA will, the ribosomal RNA will make protein synthesis to help the genetic things. Okay, so this is the function of ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA, and transfer RNA in short. Okay, like here, RNA are produced by DNA, which is turn carry out protein synthesis. RNA. Okay, so this is about nucleoids and nucleic acid. So basically, in the nucleic acid, you have DNA, RNA, and in the DNA, we have genetic information. RNA are supportive of DNA, and RNA type. There are three types: transfer RNA, messenger RNA, okay, ribosomal RNA. Transfer RNA will transfer the information from the nucleus to the outer portion of the cell. and messenger RNA will take care of the messenger and give to the transfer RNA. Transfer RNA will transfer the information. Okay, and ribosomal RNA, they will make protein synthesis to the requirement of gene, genetic and DNA, whatever, wherever the protein needed in the body, sorry, in the cell, it will utilize, okay, by the help of ribosomal RNA. Okay, so I hope you understood about nucleic acid, nucleotide, just in short things, but we are not going in deep. Okay, because as we required anything, we we are taking those things only. Okay, not as a deeper level. So if anyone want to study, if they have the this PDF, they will go through this all the teachings. Okay. Next we have enzymes. Two topics are left for the biochemistry basics. That is enzymes and vitamins. So in coming days we will complete the enzyme topic, and as well as tomorrow we'll talk about enzymes, and day after tomorrow we have vitamins. Okay.